In northern Namibia stretches one of the country's largest reserves, Etosha National Park. This unique natural habitat is surrounded by the Kalahari Desert on several sides. Near this park, there is a salt pan also called Etosha. Despite its arid surroundings, this place has numerous water sources that are vital for the animals, drawing them to this desert oasis in search of water. For tourists, only a small area with villas and minimal infrastructure is designated. There are shops, restaurants, and even swimming pools there. Most visitors come to Etosha for safari, attracted exactly by the local diverse and well-preserved nature. Despite its beauty, the park remains unknown. Only around 200,000 adventurers visit this spot each year. This is a relatively small number if we compare it to other reserves, such as Kruger National Park, which sees up to 1 million tourists annually. The best time to visit Etosha is from May to October, though the weather is quite hot at this time. The rainy season from November to April makes the park enormously lush and green. It should be noted that most local roads are dirt but well marked. They can be challenging during the rainy season, but at all other times are easily navigable. Tourists obtain detailed maps showing all the roads clearly. Etosha National Park spans over 8,600 square miles and offers much to explore and observe. For instance, large herds of animals. Predators, of course, patiently stalking their prey for hours. Unique animals. Extremely fast species, wandering the park in search of a meal too. But temporarily forgetting their predatory instincts near the waterholes. Herbivores can also drink somewhere nearby. In one word, Etosha is a remarkable world in itself, which we will show you now. Let's start with the largest land animal. Here are African elephants. They slowly make their way to the waterholes. Interestingly, despite their massive size, an adult elephant can weigh up to 8,800 pounds. They move almost silently. It may seem paradoxical, but observing their steps reveals the reason. They tread very delicately. Elephants have another secret. They visit waterholes not only to drink. By the way, this species can drink between 25 to 60 gallons of water, depending on the weather. Near the water source, they also bathe in mud. Yes, they do. This is not because they like to be dirty. Behaving in this way is an extreme necessity. Their skin is so delicate and even wrinkled making them susceptible to sunburn under the relentless African sun. The mud acts as a protective layer under such conditions. Zebras, on the other hand, have less sensitive skin with a beautiful black and white striped pattern, making them truly stand out. Zebras are herbivores. They live in herds and always stay together. Foals immediately join the group because it maximizes their chances of survival. Zebras live 12 to 30 years on average. One interesting fact is that these species were once called tiger horses a long time ago. Another desert inhabitant is the Springbok, a type of antelope known for its remarkable leaps. This species can jump even vertically. A spotted hyena searches for food. These small predators scavenge carrion, playing a crucial role in cleaning up the savanna. However, hyenas can also attack smaller or weaker animals. That's probably why this zebra foal has caught this predator's attention. Zebra pregnancies last around 12 months, and foals feed on their mother's milk for approximately the same amount of time, but they also start grazing around 2 months old. While being under their mother's watchful eye, foals are secured from small predators. The hyena angrily continues searching for its potential prey. A Kudu antelope drinks water, showcasing its beautiful spiraled horns, which can reach up to 3 feet in height. Elephants are not only heavy, but also very tall, with adults standing up to 13 feet high. Why do elephants cover themselves in dust as well? This is another protective layer on their bodies, shielding them from the harsh African sun and parasites. The mating season for giraffes has started, causing this tussle between 2 males. Springbok remains calm, but always vigilant, capable of leaping up to 9 feet if necessary. The The giraffe duel continues. One interesting fact, these species use only their ossicones, the horn-like structures, during fights. In such cases, they never use their hooves, which are reserved for defending against their most severe enemies, lions. Male giraffe fights during mating season are psychological displays of strength, rarely causing any harm. The battle ends when one male concedes and leaves the area. The eternal enemy of giraffes and many other species. However, this male is not alone here. A female is nearby. The lioness seems to be preparing for a hunt, since she is purposefully and attentively searching for something. A male lion never hunts. Its major role is to protect the territory of the pride, or the small group of this species, and also breed. Hunting is left to the females. No joke, this is a serious affair that needs precise attention and coordination. The lion merely waits for the meal. And a male will always eat first. This rule is never broken. A martial eagle looks through the surroundings harshly. It belongs to the hawk family. Now, this bird is endangered since locals often kill it to protect livestock as soon as this predator reaches a settlement. A cheetah strolls through the park, gracefully searching for its next meal. Now it moves slowly, but it can sprint up to 50 miles per hour and even 75 miles per hour when chasing prey. Usually these are zebras or antelopes. The cheetah is the fastest member of the feline family. You can distinguish it from its relatives by the vertical black stripes on its face. Most often, people confuse cheetahs and leopards. The secret is simple. They have different spots. The cheetah spots actually look like spots, but the leopard spots are ring-shaped. The martial eagle has gorgeous plumage and powerful chest muscles, with a wingspan of up to 7 feet. The cheetah sits and waits, nearly motionless. It is vigilantly gazing at its surroundings. This female is no longer alone. She has her cubs. Lioness pregnancies last around 100 days, but only half of the cubs usually survive because of the quite aggressive environment they face. To protect her cubs, a female leaves the pride before giving birth and returns there only when they are about 2 months old. Lion cubs feed on their mother's milk until they're 6 months old. Afterwards, they switch entirely to meat. Eventually, they'll hunt on their own. But for now, they merely play. However, their instincts are gradually awakening. Etosha is also home to ostriches, the largest birds on the planet, standing up to 8 feet tall and weighing up to 300 pounds. The giraffe battle goes on. A hyena continues its search for food, hoping for a stroke of luck. Here goes the regal Kori bustard, with its long neck and impressive wingspan of up to 8.5 feet. This bird is quite heavy, weighing 17 to 40 pounds. Females are typically much smaller than males. Helmeted Guineafowl graze peacefully. These small birds weigh 2 to 3 pounds and have splendid plumage. By the way, outside of nature, they are purposefully raised for meat, eggs, and feathers. The duel of the two males ends. There is a winner, and the loser leaves the territory. A young springbok is separated from its herd. This is dangerous. However, if necessary, it can sprint up to 55 miles an hour to escape predators. A giraffe strolls peacefully through Etosha. Here it has plenty of space and opportunities. The elephants have also entered their mating season. In national parks, you can encounter numerous unusual and simply fascinating animals. It's fortunate that such places exist. They provide a unique opportunity to personally observe local wildlife and protect endangered species from poachers. These spots certainly deserve more attention and require support so that future generations can also witness such diversity of fauna as well.